Hey everyone, it's Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 3 artificial intelligence ETFs. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and happy Friday. Just a reminder that it is a long weekend as the stock markets are closed on Monday for Martin Luther King Day, so I'll see you back here on Tuesday. Now for today's video, we're taking a look at 3 popular ETFs, all with a focus on artificial intelligence. Now all 3 of these ETFs offer you easy diversification to some top AI companies, but all 3 do have slightly different objectives as well as holdings and geographies, etc. So we're going to take a look at each of them, which stocks are making up those ETFs, and of course what the analyst consensus are for the future. We found today's ETFs over on the TipRanks ETF Center. You can get to the ETF Center under the Ideas menu just by clicking on ETFs, and from here we went down to Compare ETFs, and in the top right under Comparison Ideas, we went to the AI category, giving us our list of different ETFs down below. And just before we jump into these ETFs, this is a friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. You can download the TipRanks mobile app to stay up to date with all the latest stock news and access your favorite investment research tools on the go by scanning the QR code on your screen or following the links in the description down below. Now let's jump right into these 3 AI ETFs. First up, we're taking a look at the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF. Also known as BOTZ under the ticker BOTZ, they're currently priced at $33 per share, having climbed 14% overall in the past year, up just about 1% in the last 3 months. They have an expense ratio of 0.68% and even have a slight dividend yield at 0.15%. The BOTZ ETF has been around since 2016 and seeks to invest in companies that will benefit from the increasing adoption of robotics and AI. They track an index providing exposure to those firms operating in the global automation and robotic industries. This includes firms that receive their revenue from artificial intelligence software, industrial robotics and automation, non-industrial robots, and autonomous vehicles. They say they have an unconstrained approach, with robotics and AI having wide-reaching application extending far beyond the industrial activity, so they invest accordingly with global exposure across multiple sectors and industries. This is our largest ETF of the bunch today, with assets under management of $2.63 billion, and that includes 47 different holdings. Now they are heavily weighted in their top 10 at 63%, so that does put a lot of pressure on those top 10 holdings. In this list below, you will see some recognizable names, such as NVIDIA Corporation here at the top and Intuitive Surgical, as well as Dynatrace, but you might see some others you don't recognize, including some UK companies, as well as Asian companies as well. When we look at the geographical breakdown below, you'll see that just 53.9% is in the United States. That is then followed by Japan, Switzerland, Korea, and others. As far as the sector breakdown goes, of course, we're heavily weighted in technology, closely followed by industrials and then healthcare. While Wall Street analysts don't actually rate ETFs themselves, TipRanks is able to look at all of the ratings on the stocks within the ETF to give us an overall consensus. And with the BOTZ ETF, it does come in as a moderate buy. With those 47 holdings, we have 22 coming in as a buy and 25 as a hold. The overall average price target comes in at $39.48 for an upside potential of 19%. And when we look down below, we can see which stocks within the ETF have the highest upside potential and those with the highest downside. Next up, we're taking a look at the Invesco AI and Next Gen Software ETF. It trades under the ticker IGPT, currently priced at $47.63. In the past year, it's gained 19% overall, and in the last 3 months is up 1.7%. Their expense ratio comes in at 0.58%. This ETF targets companies at the forefront of software development, particularly those involved in AI, big data, and machine learning. They aim to provide exposure to the next generation of software technology, and they track an index that is comprised of companies with significant exposure to technologies or products that contribute to advancement in software development through direct revenue. These companies or components of their business lines are expected to benefit from long-term structural trends driven by technological and societal change, which in the future may have substantial impact on their performance. So this ETF has a bit of a broader exposure to the overall tech and software industry and has the largest amount of holdings out of all of our ETFs today at 101. They have total assets of $408.5 million, and their top 10 percentage weighting is 58%. So this is another one that's fairly heavily weighted in that top 10. And in that list of top 10, you're going to probably recognize a few more companies, including Alphabet, Nvidia, Meta Platforms, Intuitive Surgical, and AMD, just to name a few. That is because when we look down below, we have a much higher weighting in US companies, coming in at about 89%. The next closest is just 4% at Japan, and then just 2% of Korea. We have a bit of a higher technology weighting here as well at 65%, then followed by communication services just under 20%, then healthcare and real estate. And based on those 101 holdings, the IGPT ETF also comes in as a moderate buy. Breaking down to 67 buys and 34 holds, the average price target comes in at $56 for an upside potential of over 17%. And down below, we have our stocks here with the highest upside and those with the biggest downside. If you've made it all the way to our third ETF today, then this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Lastly, we're taking a look at the Ishares Future AI and Tech ETF. It trades under the ticker ARTY, or ARTY, currently priced just shy of $39 per share. It's climbed about 18% over the past year, and in the last 3 months is up about 7%. Their expense ratio comes in at 0.47%. The ARTY ETF actually went through a rebrand back in October. This used to be the Ishares Robotics and AI ETF, trading under the ticker IRBO, but they've switched things up a little bit, and they now track a basket of stocks that are disruptors in the industry of artificial intelligence. They focus on artificial intelligence innovators to get exposure to the full value chain of companies at the forefront of AI innovation in areas including generative AI, AI data and infrastructure, AI software, and services. They seek to capture targeted long-term growth opportunities with companies that could play an essential role in the future of digital disruption and AI amid significant advances in the growth of AI capabilities. As part of the rebrand, the ETF shifted from about 90 holdings down to 52. And their total assets sits at $763 million, with a top 10 weighting of 40%, actually the lowest of our bunch today. And looking at that list of top holdings, you will recognize a bunch of names here. We have Broadcom in the number 1 spot. Now, Nvidia is in the list, but this is one of the few where it's not at the very top of the holdings here, followed by Arista Networks and Vertiv Holdings, along with other big names like AMD, Constellation Energy, and Super Microcomputer. Down below here, we are heavily weighted in the United States at about 84%, followed by Japan at 5%, and then Taiwan and France. This is very heavily weighted in technology at about 83%, then followed by communication services at just 5.5%. And based on those 52 holdings, the ETF does come in as a moderate buy. Breaking down to 37 buys, 14 holds, and 1 sell. The average price target comes in at $42.65 for an upside potential of nearly 10%. Down below here, we have our list of those stocks with the biggest upside and those with the biggest downside. So that is a quick look at 3 ETFs, all with a focus on artificial intelligence stocks. Let me know your thoughts on these ETFs and what other ones you love. I know there's a lot of cool options out there, so please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock or ETF, so please make sure you always do your own research and stick to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great long weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.